Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to fix the issue where you have paint chipping over the lens of your iPhone 11, 12 and 13. Now of course there's an issue with the iPhone 11, 12 and 13 where without you doing anything, even if you were to protect these lenses perfectly without getting them scratched, there's a manufacturing flaw where around the lens it will start to chip away naturally. All right, it makes the lens look very ugly and it's aesthetically unpleasing. It's not really nice to look at, guys. So of course I did another video highlighting the problem. This video is a highlight showing a fix, or the fix that you can use to actually deal with this issue. Now in order to fix this issue, I have a case on now. I'm going to remove it. Let me go ahead and remove it. All right guys, so I've removed the case, and as you can see the lens are quite messed up, and that's naturally due to the fact that there's a manufacturing default or defect on these. Apple really needs to deal with this issue, but in the meantime I'm going to show you to fix it. Now, in order to fix this problem guys, you'll have to actually get a lens protector, and of course this lens protector is what I'm going to use to fix the issue. You can look down in the description. I'll have a link to this particular one that I'm using. It will really help the channel out if you actually use my link. It's an affiliate link and I do get a kickback every time you purchase something, anything at all. So just want to be clear and transparent with that. All right, so of course this is the lens cover that I'm going to use. So I'm going to place it over the lens itself and I'm going to show you how well it turns out. So as you can see, the chips are right here. I can show you they look quite messy. And once I place on this lens protector, I bought this one on Amazon. I'm going to show you how it turns out. All right, so let's look what we get here in this package. All right guys, so let's look what you get inside of the case. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of stuff in here. These seems to be the lens covers. Put those aside. There is sticky tape or dust remover. That's 2. And of course there's a quick guide right here, and it shows you what to do. And of course there's wet dry wipes. So you get wet dry wipes to clean off the lens. This is standard for a screen protector, so it's very familiar. And the easy user guide, which is quite conveniently placed in the back. 3-step operation is quite easy. All right, let's look at the lens cover themselves. All right, so check this out guys. These are the lens covers. Let me focus the camera. All right, so the lens covers look quite nice. Let me use some background. Lens covers look quite nice, and the best part is that they're minimalistic, meaning that they do not take up additional space above what is needed. So I'm gonna get this out. So there are 2 of them. I got them in black. All right, so they're black. All right, so we're gonna place everything on the table and let's check out what they look like. All right, as you can see guys, this is everything that came inside of the package. All right, so that's clean stickers, and of course there's the lens covers. All right, so everything looks quite pristine. All right, so of course guys, we have everything out and we're gonna do the installation. I'm gonna come back when the installation is finished. So all right guys, so if you're having the lens being scratched on your iPhone 11, 12 or 13, this is definitely the lens cover to use. So far it looks quite nice. And of course next I'm going to do a test to see how well it works compared to the there's been none over these. So I'm going to see how, if it affects picture quality. So I'm going to take a few photos and compare. So just check that out right now. All right, so let's unlock. All right, so I'm going to take the photos. All right, so there you go. I have so far so good guys. I'm not seeing any difference. The pictures are quite clear. I have gone ahead and taken a photo. All right, Very nice. Let's check out those two photos. All right, nice, nice. This one is with flash. This one was the normal. Check it out, normal. And this is the new. All right, looks just the same. All right, we're gonna try now with flash on in the dark, and that should be the final test to actually see if this has done any major upgrades to everything. All right, guys, it's pitch black. I'm gonna take a photo. All right, so I've taken a photo in the dark. I'm gonna turn on the lights once more. All right, guys, so I've taken the photo, and check it out, guys. This is with the flash on. So far I'm not seeing any glare. I haven't tried this in direct sunlight, but based on what I'm seeing, if it didn't create any glare with the dark, I think it should be good for direct sunlight for taking photos. So far, guys, this has been a solid covering. In terms of lens coverage, it's very nice. It hides the scratches very perfectly on my 11, but also I love that it adds an extra glaring look to the cameras. It doesn't take away from the phone, and of course those ugly paint chips on the back of the camera are now gone. Other lens covers I have heard are so large that they cover this entire area and they look ugly, but of course this one is perfect as it only covers the cameras themselves. So of course I highly recommend so far the lens covers seen here, and of course if you want these, I'll have them linked below. They come highly recommended on Amazon, and of course I chose these, and so far they're working out perfectly. I'll have a review over on the website. If you want to purchase these exact ones that I have purchased here, please find the link below in the description. I'll have both a review and of course a video review, and of course the follow-up video on how to fix the scratches on the lens, as I've just shown you now how to use these to remove the scratches, as they eliminate the scratches on your lens and they also protect your lens. And of course in terms of resale value, the phone looks pristine, and now your phone is back to a brand new pristine condition, and your lens are also protected. All right, so I'm going to end the tutorial here, guys. If anybody have any questions, please ask them below in the comments. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.